I would like to know, we are into the business of agri and food processing. Plus, we also have a manufacturing business in dyes and chemicals for the tannery industry. Uh, so, how should we approach the business houses in Azerbaijan where we can discuss some trades between us? Some products maybe we can buy from them, some products maybe we can sell them. How should we connect with them? Because meeting like this and having an introduction is the first step, but how to get it to a logical conclusion and meet them and associate, because after listening to you I see multiple possibilities in from our business group, as we are a family business group of 2 3 companies in different sectors operating. We also have auto component manufacturing business in India, so there can be some multiple. We can be the vendor or we can be the buyer for a few business houses in Azerbaijan and India too.
Thank you very much. How you can do it? Well, first of all, again, as I said, market research is important. You have to know where, in which areas, the government gives preferences for foreign companies. Second, what are the major manufacturers? Let's say for chemical, agrochemicals, you can agro-processing, you can either work through, get information through the Ministry of Agriculture or through certain factories that are part of the state oil company of Azerbaijan, which has a fertilizer production factory plant or carbamide plant, etc. So it depends, again, on the nature of your need. But at the same time, it would be of great importance to find a local partner in Azerbaijan. There are several organizations, government organizations that are working in that field, which help connect. One is Azerbaijan Investment Company. It's AIC. They have their website. You can approach them. Another one is, as I said, let me find its name. The Economic Zones Agency. The website is economiczones.gov.az. Its name. So if you Google Economic Zones Agency of Azerbaijan, you will find. You can let's say send your queries through them. Third, what you can do here in New Delhi last year, my predecessor and some local companies here in New Delhi, they established India-Azerbaijan Business Forum. And I think last year they made a visit to Azerbaijan. Also, I'm thinking about bringing certain companies from Azerbaijan here to talk to, in India you have millions of companies. Private sector activity is huge here. With Azerbaijan, for Azerbaijan, 100 companies is also huge. So if I manage to bring here 100 companies, or 50, 60 companies, that would be great achievement for me. We can organize meet and greet discussions for you. So this is what I can advise. But not being a businessman myself, I really have some difficulties in completely responding to your question. So you have to do very profound market research. And also, if you have questions, you can always write to our embassy, and we will direct your query to the relevant
government. His Excellency, just a small suggestion. Like, for example, we wanted to tie up with somebody, so we approached the German embassy, for example, and we told them we are looking for these sector companies and clients. They took a fee from us, and then they shared with us a list of companies who are operating in Germany in that sector. and send an introductory mail from our behalf that we have validated this company, it's a legal company, and you can coordinate with them for further business discussion.
Yeah.
And that service was, for example, say $200 or $300, and that activity was done and it was finished. Then it is on us how we take it forward with the local company. So just a small suggestion, if something like that can happen for us.
What we do usually as embassy, whenever I meet certain businesses or whenever somebody is approaching us, I always tell that, okay, we as embassy, me or my colleagues here, we meet and we listen. But our job is to facilitate and coordinate. That's what also German embassy was doing. So what I request always from businesses here is to send us their proposals, their company profiles, how they see their future cooperation with Azerbaijan, how they want to be present there. Send it in a written form in PDF format to us, and we then send it to our Ministry of Foreign Affairs, which has economic department. And this economic department circulates to relevant government agencies, because we are small, we are not like Germany, we are not 90 million people, we're 10 million people, very small country. There are a lot of government companies, private companies. So everybody knows each other very well. So what we do, we send this information of the company to relevant government agencies, and every government agency, ministry, they have local legal entities, private entities that are operating under them. And when there is any interest from that side, we get responses and then we coordinate. We just don't write email and say, we want to introduce, the rest is on you. We try to follow up. We use connections if we feel that, this is very important. So we use every opportunity whenever there is somebody coming from Azerbaijan, we try to connect with people here as well. So we use different methods, but important, if you have any product, if you have interest in getting involved in business in Azerbaijan, we will not be of great help about questions about procedures. They're all online. But what we can do, we can promote you, we can coordinate your proposal is received by certain government agencies.
That will be very good.
So our email is online, is available. Whenever you feel that you want to have it, just send us email with your company,
I'll write an email.
your product portfolio, etc.
Thank you.
You're most welcome.